Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And today we're going to show you how to do one of our pillowcases.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we're going to work with our pillowcase. This is a 21 by 31 inch pillowcase that we have here. So let's get started.
All right, I've already pre-pressed this in half just so I have my center mark. And I did print this on the F570. So if you check it out, we're going to show you how we did that. And now let's get started on pressing. Okay, we'll place this here. And I trimmed the image up because I want to take this heart all the way to the end so it matches up with the other one. And I'm going to tape it down just to hold it in place. However, I did use tacky paper, so it is actually going to stick to the pillowcase to avoid any shifting. And then we'll cover it with our silicone. And we're pressing at 385 for 45 seconds in medium pressure. Okay, we're going to remove this immediately. And there we go.
We have one to match. So we do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, so don't forget to check that out. See you next time.